Hello everyone, I'm Vanessa, Account Manager from IEI Group. I'm glad to introduce you our intelligent AMR solution. The AGVA AMR market is expected to reach 13.2 billion by 2026 with a growth rate of around 35%. Here we would like to recommend you IEI Wafer ULT5 and DRPC230. Wafer ULT5, a 3.5-inch SBC, is designed with triple LAN and triple display, enabling multiple device connection, plus fanless heatsink module suitable for AMR with limit size. DRPC230, a fanless embedded system able to endure up to 70 degrees Celsius, with rich I/O enabling different device connection for LiDAR, camera, motor drive, gyroscope, e-stop, etc. IEI is ready to support you with our more than 25 years industrial design and production knowledge. Join hands together with IEI.